Hello, beautiful blockchain people. That's me again at CryptoSpine. This is my next cryptocurrency market overview. So let's start. Let's have a look at the prices of the major cryptocurrencies according to the site of CoinGecko. And as we see in general, the market has recorded a small price decline. Of course, there are some exceptions such as Polkadot, Solana, but the rest of the major cryptocurrencies, they have recorded a small decline. But I would say that the rebound or the renewal, let's say, of the uptrend continues, and intraday sometimes we experience some consolidation or pullbacks, and this is not something unusual. And today is Tuesday, that's why I'm going to analyze the price chart of Ethereum. The current price of Ethereum is $3,177. So let's move on to the price chart of Ethereum and conduct a thorough technical and candlestick analysis. So this is the price chart of Ethereum. Of course, we will start from the monthly time frame, but initially let me remove the unnecessary elements from the chart. Once again, this is the current price, $3,174. So this is the monthly time frame. We are really very familiar with the monthly chart. A price increase that took place in the, let's say, first half of the year. In May, the market experienced some volatility, so this long leg dodge form, followed by a bearish candlestick and by a hammer. This hammer, or a hammer, is a typical or a common trend reversal, let's say, candlestick that usually occurs at the end of some correction, and we've been talking about this many times, so there is nothing new in the price chart. Also, here we saw that, let me highlight this range, that these long lower shadows indicated that the bulls are trying to support the price within this range, and now we're witnessing this rebound. Next, I want to say that this is really a very bullish signal for the price of Ethereum, and let me tell you why. If, of course, at the end of the month we have this candlestick, because till the end of the month we have enough time, the situation may change. But if we assume that at the end of the month we have something like this will be really a very bullish signal, because this is a bullish candlestick with a local high above the previous ones, with a local low above the previous ones, and a closing price higher than the closing price even of this candlestick, this one and this one. So this will be a bullish signal. So let's cross our fingers for Ethereum. Next, let's move on to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart. We're familiar with this price increase, with this let's say correction, a rebound, another correction, small decline, followed by a bullish engulfing. So that was the first bullish engulfing. Then we had another bullish engulfing. We've been talking about this, and I said that this is accumulation of potential trend reversal signals, or in the worst case formations, indicating that there is a solid support for the price of Ethereum. Then we saw these three white soldiers, or a trend reversal for candlestick formation, and now we see that the price continued to increase. So here we had accumulation of many solid trend reversal or uptrend renewal signals. Now I want to highlight that the current candlestick is a small bearish candlestick. Of course, we're at the very beginning of the week. Let's wait and see what we will have at the end of the week. But definitely these bullish candlesticks, they confirm the bullish sentiment. And even if we experience some fluctuations, let's say like this, the bullish sentiment remains in place, and the bullish signal coming out from all these bullish formations, candlestick formation, still remains in place. Now let's move on to the daily chart. Of course, I will remove these elements from the chart, and let's start with some really very interesting things. First of all, we used to follow this ascending channel, and we know that the price of Ethereum has returned to the channel. Of course, here the price exited the ascending channel or the uptrend. Probably that was some kind of volatility. Here the price exited in the downward direction, the channel. It turned out that it was a volatility, and now the price is back into the ascending channel. Now, I will add some technical indicators and we will try to figure out how to take advantage of all those bullish signals in the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, and the daily chart, because we have this ascending channel and how to trade the channel. I would suggest, or at least I will consider the following potential, let's say, approach for let's say if I'm going to trade Ethereum. If the price drops and hits the lower line of the channel and after that it rebounds, here I will try to enter the market. Also, if we add the key moving averages, let me highlight where they are. I will add just two moving averages, the 30-day moving average or for the period of 1 month. So this is for the period of 1 month. And then I will also add the 90-day moving average or for the period of 3 months. First, we had a moving average crossover here. That was a bearish moving average crossover because the 30-day moving average dropped below the 90-day moving average and it used to put pressure on the price. Now we have a bullish moving average crossover. If it remains in place, it will confirm the, let's say, return of the bullish sentiment to the market. And that's why I would like to highlight that I will consider also another scenario. Let's assume that because of some volatility, the price pullbacks deeper and approaches the moving average crossover or these two moving averages. Then, if a rebound takes place, I will try to enter the market. So I will consider these two scenarios. Of course, the price may just continue to increase, but sooner or later we may witness something similar to this, probably at some later stage, let's say from here. That's why this is a common approach that I will try to apply in the near future. Also, I want to get back now to the 4-hour chart. Let me hide the moving averages. And this is the 4-hour chart. And I would like to remind you, so here is the moving average crossover, the bullish one, this is the bearish one. Let me remind you that we used to talk about this double bottom. So this is the left bottom, this is the right bottom, this is the neckline. If the price drops, like in this scenario, it will approach the moving averages and the moving average crossover and the neckline as well. So this is also a very, let's say, interesting scenario. So this is what I wanted to talk about today. So I outlined a couple of scenarios, how to enter the market. We see that in most time frames we have these bullish formations. That's why definitely it is worth taking advantage of these bullish formations. So that's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your point of view on the price chart of Ethereum as a comment below this video. I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. It was me again at CryptoSpark.